Purchasing officers, often working behind the scenes, are essential to the smooth functioning of any organization, large or small. They are the unsung heroes, the individuals who quietly ensure that everything a company needs is available when it's needed off the business world. Their work is critical, impacting everything from production schedules to the bottom line. They ensure that companies have, without fail, the materials, the very building blocks, goods, the tangible items necessary for operation, and services, the intangible support systems they need to operate smoothly and efficiently. Their role is pivotal in maintaining a competitive edge, from office supplies, the everyday essentials, to raw materials, the fundamental components. Purchasing officers are responsible for and entrusted with sourcing, diligently seeking out and acquiring, carefully obtaining everything at the best possible price and quality. They are the gatekeepers of value. This involves, at its core, researching potential suppliers, exploring all available options, negotiating prices, skillfully bargaining for the best deals, awarding contracts, strategically selecting the right partners, and managing relationships with key vendors. Building strong, lasting partnerships is key. Imagine a car manufacturer, a complex operation, needing steel to build its vehicles. A constant, reliable supply is crucial. Without a skilled purchasing officer, a dedicated professional, the company might unfortunately overpay for steel, exceeding their budget, receive low-quality materials, compromising the integrity of their cars, or experience delays in production, halting the assembly line and impacting delivery schedules. All of these factors can significantly impact and negatively affect the company's bottom line and reputation, leading to decreased profits and damaged public perception. Effective purchasing officers possess and demonstrate a unique blend of skills, a powerful combination, combining, seamlessly integrating financial acumen, a keen understanding of economics with strong interpersonal abilities, building rapport and trust with suppliers. They are expert negotiators, skilled communicators, adept at securing favorable terms and conditions, protecting the company's interests. Moreover, they are highly organized, meticulous in their approach, and detail-oriented, ensuring accuracy and precision, ensuring that all contracts and agreements, all legal documents are meticulously managed, tracked, filed, and readily accessible. In essence, fundamentally, purchasing officers they fulfill a crucial role, a vital function in the success of any organization, contributing directly to its prosperity. Their ability to the core competence to source, to find the best suppliers, negotiate, to secure the best deals, and manage purchases, to oversee the entire process, efficiently directly impacts and positively influences a company's profitability, its financial success, and overall operational effectiveness, streamlining processes, and maximizing efficiency. In the following sections, in the chapters ahead, we'll delve deeper. We will explore further into the key skills and responsibilities, the essential attributes and duties that make a purchasing officer truly exceptional, setting them apart as invaluable assets. Negotiation is the lifeblood of a purchasing officer's role. It's a critical skill that separates good purchasing officers from great ones. It's the art of reaching mutually beneficial agreements with suppliers, ensuring that both parties walk away feeling valued and respected. This involves a delicate balance of assertiveness and understanding on price, quality, delivery, and other crucial factors that contribute to a successful and sustainable supply chain. A skilled negotiator can save their company substantial amounts of money, directly impacting the bottom line and contributing to increased profitability, while ensuring a steady supply of high-quality goods and services, mitigating risks associated with supply chain disruptions and maintaining operational efficiency. Preparation is key to successful negotiation. It's the foundation upon which strong deals are built. Before meeting with the supplier, the purchasing officer must thoroughly research the market, gaining a comprehensive understanding of pricing trends, competitor offerings, and potential alternative suppliers. Understand the company's needs, ensuring alignment between procurement activities and overall business objectives, and define their desired outcomes. This clarity is crucial for guiding the negotiation process. This includes setting clear objectives, outlining specific targets for price, quality, and delivery terms, identifying potential trade-offs, recognizing areas where flexibility is possible without compromising essential requirements, and determining their walkaway point. Knowing when to walk away is just as important as knowing how to negotiate. During the negotiation, effective communication is paramount. It's about conveying your needs and understanding the supplier's constraints. The purchasing officer must clearly articulate their requirements, leaving no room for ambiguity or misunderstanding. Listen attentively to the supplier's perspective, actively seeking to understand their challenges and motivations, and seek common ground. Finding mutually agreeable solutions is the key to long-term success. It's not about being adversarial. Negotiation shouldn't be a battle. It's about building a collaborative relationship, fostering trust and open communication, where both parties feel satisfied with the outcome. This leads to stronger, more reliable partnerships. For example, let's say a purchasing officer is negotiating a contract for office furniture. This is a common scenario that highlights the importance of effective negotiation. They've researched various suppliers, comparing pricing, quality, and lead times, identified their preferred option based on a combination of factors that meet the company's specific needs, and determine their budget. This provides a clear framework for the negotiation process. During the negotiation, they discover that the supplier is offering a discount on bulk orders. This presents an opportunity to potentially reduce costs. The purchasing officer can leverage this information to negotiate a lower price, demonstrating their understanding of market dynamics and their ability to identify cost-saving opportunities by committing to a larger order volume. This benefits both parties, securing a lower price for the company and guaranteeing a larger sale for the supplier. Contracts form the backbone, the very foundation of any purchasing agreement. They are the linchpin that holds the entire procurement process together, ensuring clarity and accountability. They are legally binding documents carrying significant weight in the eyes of the law that outline the terms and conditions, the specific stipulations, and the mutual expectations of all involved, agreed upon by both the buyer, which is the company, the entity making the purchase, and the seller or the supplier, the entity providing the goods or services. A well-drafted contract protects the interests of both parties, safeguarding their rights and obligations, and provides a clear framework for the transaction. It sets the stage for a smooth and successful business relationship. Developing and awarding contracts is a meticulous process demanding precision and thoroughness that requires careful planning and attention to detail. Overlooking even a small clause can have significant repercussions. First, the purchasing officer must clearly define, with absolute clarity, the scope of work, specifications, and performance expectations. This is the blueprint for the entire agreement. This information forms the basis of the contract, the very foundation upon which the agreement is built, and ensures that both parties understand their obligations. It leaves no room for ambiguity or misinterpretation. Once the contract is drafted and all the clauses are in place, it's essential to communicate effectively with all stakeholders. Transparency is key to a successful partnership. This includes obtaining internal approvals, securing the necessary sign-offs from relevant departments, sharing the contract with the supplier, providing them with ample opportunity to review and understand the terms, and addressing any questions or concerns. Open dialogue is crucial for building trust and rapport. Clear and concise communication throughout the process, from initial drafting to final execution, minimizes the risk of misunderstandings or disputes later on. Prevention is always better than cure. For instance, imagine a purchasing officer tasked with a critical procurement decision is contracting a cleaning service for their company's offices, a seemingly simple yet vital service. The contract should clearly specify in no uncertain terms the frequency of cleaning, the areas to be cleaned, ensuring all spaces are covered, the cleaning products to be used, and the payment terms, detailing the financial aspects of the agreement. By outlining these details in the contract and leaving no stone unturned, both parties have a clear understanding of their responsibilities. This sets the stage for a long and mutually beneficial relationship. Awarding a contract is just the beginning of the purchasing officer's job. Once the agreement is in place, it's crucial to monitor the supplier's performance to ensure they are meeting their contractual obligations. This involves tracking key performance indicators like delivery times, product quality, and adherence to agreed upon prices. Collecting and managing supplier performance data is essential for making informed decisions about future purchases. By analyzing this information, purchasing officers can identify trends, pinpoint areas for improvement, and make necessary adjustments to contracts or supplier relationships. For example, if a purchasing officer notices that a particular supplier consistently delivers goods late, they can address the issue with the supplier and work together to find a solution. Alternatively, if a supplier consistently fails to meet performance standards, the purchasing officer may consider terminating the contract and seeking a more reliable partner.